Hello, welcome to another video. This video is about repairing Photoshop file which is corrupted due to several wanted reasons. One of the foremost reasons is version incompatibility. There are chances when users get an error could not complete your request because the file is not compatible with the version of Photoshop. Hence, to fix such issue, SysInfo Photoshop File Recovery software to fix corrupt PSD, PSB, and PDD files. Let's see the software works. In the software main interface, click on Add Files button to choose a Photoshop file to repair. You can also remove files from the container by clicking on Remove File option. Now under Select Destination Path, browse for the location to save recovered PSD, PSB, and PDD files. Check on Automatically Open the Files after Recovery option, to open recovered files immediately. Now click on Recover button to begin the recovery process. Finally, when the saving process is complete, you will get the message Saving Process Completed. Now close the application. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video was helpful for you. For any query, leave a comment in comment box below. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. For more updates, do subscribe our channel.